Hello and welcome. Our topic for today is solving quadratics with quadratic formula with real solutions. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first question says use the quadratic formula to solve. We given the quadratic equation 5x square plus x minus 4 equals to 0. Before we start on, let's look what the quadratic formula is. The quadratic formula for any given equation, that is a quadratic equation that is given to us, 5x square plus x minus 4 is given by x equals to negative b plus minus radical sign b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a, that is 2 times a in the denominator, where a, b and c are the coefficients of the x square, x and the constant term in the given quadratic equation. So in the given equation, that is 5x square plus x minus 4, the value of a is 5, b is 1, while c is negative 4. So we'll be using these values, plugging it in the quadratic formula and finding out the values of x. Here we see we have a plus and a minus sign in the center. So that means we'll be having two values of x. So let's see how we do it. Looking at the question now, we have x equals to b is 1, so we write minus 1 plus minus b square, that is 1 square, minus 4, a is 5 and c is negative 4, divided by 2 times 5. Now we've plugged in all the values of a, b and c in the quadratic formula. So now we'll be simplifying it further. Negative 1 plus minus b square, that is 1 square is 1. Now we'll multiply negative 4 with 5 is a negative 20. Negative 20 multiplied with negative 4 is a positive 80, divided by 10. Now this is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of 81 divided by 10. Now we know that square root of 81 is nothing but 9. So we have negative 1 plus minus 9 divided by 10. Now we'll split it in two parts. First value of x is negative 1 plus 9 by 10, or x has another value of negative 1 minus 9 by 10. So we'll simplify. Negative 1 plus 9 is 8 divided by 10. This is one value. This can be simplified to 4/5, or x equals to negative 1 minus 9 is a negative 10 divided by 10, which is nothing but negative 1. So our solution is x equals to 4/5 or x equals to negative 1. This can be seen in option B, which is the correct answer. Let's make it more easier in the next question. Using the quadratic formula to solve the given quadratic equation, x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. So we'll write a equals to 1. The coefficient of x square is a, that is 1 in this case. B is also equals to 1, coefficient of x term, that is 1 in this case. And c equals to negative 1, which is a constant. Our quadratic formula is x equals to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now we know all the values, we'll plug it in. X equals to negative b, that is minus 1, plus minus b square, that is 1 square, minus 4 times a is 1, c is negative 1, divided by 2 times 1. This is equal to negative 1 plus and minus 1 squared is 1, negative 4 times 1 is a negative 4. Negative 4 times a negative 1 is a positive 4, divided by 2 times 1 is 2. This is equals to negative 1 plus and minus 1 plus 4 is 5, and the radical divided by 2. Radical of 5 or square root of 5 cannot be simplified further, so the values of x are negative 1 plus root of 5 over 2, or x can take another value of negative 1 minus root of 5 divided by 2. These are the two possible values of x, can be seen in option C. Let's try the next question. Use the quadratic formula to solve x squared minus 5x plus 3. So from here we see a equals to 1, b equals to negative 5, while c equals to 3. Our formula by now, it's very simple to remember: negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we'll plug in the values. Negative b minus of negative 5 plus minus b squared, that is negative 5 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, 3 is, sorry, c is 3, divided by 2 times 1. Negative times negative is a positive, so we get a positive 5, plus and minus negative 5 squared is negative 5 times negative 5, which is a positive 25, minus 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. This is 12 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. This is equals to 5 plus minus 25 minus 12 is 13 divided by 2. Now 13 cannot be simplified further, so leave it as it is. X has a value of 5 plus square root of 13 by 2, or 5 minus square root of 13 by 2. This is our final answer and can be seen in option B. I hope solving quadratics with the quadratic formula and real solutions is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.